Hey, what's up guys? Will here for GSM Arena. Honor is back with an ultra-thin foldable phone, the Honor Magic V5. So let's go over its key features and see what's new in our hands-on video. Last year's Honor Magic V3 impressed everyone with its thin and durable foldable design, and the Magic V5 refines things even further. Honor was able to make the phone even thinner this time around, but at the same time, the battery is considerably larger. When folded, the Magic V5 is only 8.8mm thick in this white colorway, and 9mm with the other colors. And when unfolded, the phone is a razor-thin 4.1mm. The phone's body seems about as thick as the camera bump. How Honor managed to fit a nearly 6,000 mAh battery into here is quite impressive. On top of that, they've also improved the ingress protection to IP58/IP59. That means you get resistance to submersion and hot water jets, and some dust protection too. The foldable inner display of the Honor Magic V5 is about the same size as last year. It's a 7.95-inch LTPO OLED with a 120Hz refresh rate, and the crease where the phone folds over is quite subtle here. The cover screen is closer to a display you'd find on a typical smartphone. It's a 6.43-inch LTPO OLED with a 120Hz refresh rate, and is protected by nanocrystal shield glass. As far as the chipset goes, you get the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite from Qualcomm, so you can count on flagship-grade performance on the Honor Magic V5. Charging is the same as last year. You get 66-watt wired charging and 50-watt wireless. And let's go over the cameras. For selfies, you get a 20-megapixel selfie cam embedded within the cover screen, as well as the inner screen. But you can take selfies using the rear cameras too, with the cover screen acting as a viewfinder. The main camera appears to be the same as last year, but the telephoto cam has a shorter reach now at 70mm. Still, it's got a wider aperture and a larger, higher-res sensor. The same goes for the ultra-wide camera as well. So there you have it guys, the Honor Magic V5 does look quite promising. Do you think this could be your next foldable phone? Let us know in the comments, and I'll see you soon with our full review.